Good afternoon. My name is Jarvis McCall, and today I will be going over the case titled Home Renovation Gone Wrong, a Breach of Contract Case. I will be discussing whether a contractor should be held responsible for not completing a renovation as agreed. The plaintiff and the defendant. The plaintiff is Emily Carter, a homeowner in Birmingham, Alabama. The defendant is Johnson Home Renovations, LLC. This case is a dispute over a kitchen remodeling contract. What happened? Basically, Emily Carter signed a contract for an $18,000 kitchen renovation with a completion date of April 30th, 2026. She paid $9,000 for the deposit. The contractor began working, but later slowed down and stopped. They then requested an extra eight. They requested an extra $6,000 due to increased costs. Carter refused because the price was too fixed. She hired another contractor to finish the job, but at a higher price. The issues. Basically, the issues are whether the contract was breached, whether the contractor could raise the price, and whether the plaintiff should recover damages. A valid contract requires offers, acceptance. I apologize. A valid contract requires offer, acceptance, and consideration. Once signed, both parties must follow the agreement. A breach happens when one party fails to perform under contract law. The injured party may recover damages for losses caused by the breach. The plaintiff position. Basically, the contract was valid. The contract was valid on the plaintiff's side. Also, the deposit was paid, but the contractor failed to finish the job in the timely manner that it was stated in the contract. Also, the extra charge was not agreed that the defendant added on due to the fact that the defendant stopped and continued to work, but not in the timely manner that the contractor wanted. The plaintiff suffered a financial loss as well. The defendant's position. Basically, the material prices increased. Also, the supplies delayed. And also requested an additional payment, which basically it just made both sides come to a standing where they're not on the same page communicating wise. The defendant stopped, material prices increased. We also requested an additional payment, and the plaintiff wasn't on that same page. It blew out of proportion. I can just say that. The evidence. Plaintiff evidence includes the signed contract and records showing delays and extra costs from hiring another contractor. Defendant also supplier invoices and delivery delay notices as well. The court's decision. Plaintiff wins. Basically, the valid contract existed. Contractor breached the contract, basically, and the plaintiff is entitled to the damages. Importance of this case. Basically, this case shows why contracts are important. They protect both consumers and businesses and help prevent disputes. Contract law ensures agreements are followed and provides remedies when they are broken. And these are my references. Thank you.